What you're seeing took thousands of pineapples, massive machines, and a factory that never stops.
Every pineapple cake begins long before the oven. Ununkalam, right here in the fields. Only fully matured fruit is selected to ensure balanced sweetness and acidity. Mobile conveyors reduce handling damage and maintain consistent throughput. Speed and stability matter. The fruit must arrive fresh and intact. Even at harvest, quality control begins with trained human judgment.
Proper securing prevents bruising that could affect texture and flavor.
The transition from field to factory begins with controlled unloading. From this point forward, every step is engineered for precision and hygiene. Strict hygiene controls protect every batch from contamination. Receiving teams verify condition before processing begins.
Damaged fruit is removed early to protect final product quality.
Digital tracking connects every cake back to its harvest source.
Material flow is carefully separated to maintain hygiene zones.
From this point, automation supports human oversight.
Cleaning begins, a critical step before any food processing. Industrial washing removes field residue without damaging the flesh.
Drying ensures sensors can accurately evaluate each piece.
Automated grading guarantees uniform processing results.
Human experience complements machine precision.
Mechanical peelers maintain speed while minimizing waste.
Nothing is wasted. Byproducts are redirected for secondary uses. Now the fruit is ready to become a baking ingredient. Consistent cuts ensure predictable cooking and texture. Moisture control prepares fruit for consistent cooking. Blanching stabilizes enzymes and preserves natural color.
Rapid cooling locks in texture before blending.
Controlled batching keeps recipes consistent. This mixture forms the signature filling inside every pineapple cake. Cooling prevents overcooking and preserves flavor balance. Meanwhile, cake batter is prepared with industrial precision. Each tray receives exact quantities to maintain uniform baking. Layering locks the fruit inside a soft cake structure. Even surfaces promote consistent oven rise.
Digital inspection identifies inconsistencies instantly.
Precise alignment ensures uniform final products.
Controlled drying locks in the finishing layer.
Clean cuts preserve crumb texture and visual appeal. subtle finishing maintains brand identity without slowing production. Food safety systems protect consumers and brand integrity. Every piece must meet strict weight specifications.
Traceability remains visible even after packaging.
Grouping prepares the product for efficient distribution.
Industrial carton systems protect cakes during transport.
Before shipment, every batch faces one final inspection.
Texture, color, and filling balance must meet exact standards.
Accurate portion control ensures consistency across millions of units.
Moisture levels directly affect shelf life and product safety.
Microbiological testing confirms the absence of harmful contamination.
Only approved batches move forward to packaging and dispatch.